All right, guys. Today, excuse me. Today, this one's going to be easy. Matter of fact, I'm going to get my box of shapes out so that we can work on this together because we're going to talk about which shapes can stack, which shapes can roll, which shapes can slide, and some of them are going to try to trick you. They love trying to trick you. So let's look. If I have a cube, do you think we could stack shapes on top of a cube?
Yes.
Yeah, so let me try. Here is what is this one?
A rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism. Do you think I can stack a cube on top of a rectangular prism?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Very good. What if I have here's one we haven't really talked about a lot, a triangular prism. Can I stack that on top of a cube?
Yes.
Yes, I can. What if I have a cylinder? Can I stack a cylinder on top of a cube?
Yes.
Yes.
How about
Now, what's the next one? Okay, that says stack. The next one says roll. If I have this cube, is it going to roll very easily? No, I mean, I could throw it and it might bounce and turn over, but that's not really rolling, is it? Because it has sides. So does a cube roll? No. And the next one is slide. Watch. If I put it right here, can I slide it? Is it sliding?
Yes.
It's sliding, isn't it? Yes. So does a cube slide?
Yes.
So that's what we're going to talk about on some of these shapes. Some of them can stack, roll, slide. Some of them don't do all of that. Some of them does all of it. We're going to find out. Let's look at a cylinder. Can a cylinder stack?
Yes.
We talked about that yesterday where we stacked a cylinder on top. Can a cylinder slide? Yes. Can a cylinder roll?
Yes.
Huh.
No.
Oh, wait. Somebody said no. Some said yes. What if I turn it on its side? Is it rolling?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So can a cylinder roll?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see what else we might have. A cone. I do have a cone in here. It was hiding. I didn't think I did. Can a cone stack?
Yes.
Now, I can't stack anything on top of a cone, but I can stack a cone on top of something else, can I? If I have right here, can I stack the cone on top of something else? Yes. But, is it going to be a good idea if I try to stack that? That didn't work out too great, did it? So, that didn't work out. What about slide? Let's see here. Can a cone slide? Am I sliding it across the top? I'm going to move it a little closer so Mark can see. Am I sliding it across the top? Can a cone roll?
Yes.
Oh, I heard yes and no. Watch. It can't roll like that, but what if I lay it on its side? Is it rolling around? It rolled all the way off. Yep.
But it turns when it rolls.
Yep. Let me see my other one. Well, all right, our other shape up here is a sphere. Can I stack another sphere on top of that? Is that going to work out?
No.
No. Does a sphere slide?
Yes.
No. It rolls off of my box, though. Does it roll? Yes, it does too roll. Do balls roll outside?
Yes.
Yes. If I had a doggy and I rolled it, look, I just rolled my ball across the room. Did it roll? Yes. So that's what we're going to look at today. Look at this first row with the ducky. We're going to circle. Thank you, babe. We're doing this right now.
This is my box.
All right, we're going to circle the ones that can slide. Miss Megan's. All right, look right here. Can this one slide?
No.
Let's think about it. Can a cube slide?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it and see. Here's a cube right here. Watch. If I have a cube and I push it, is it sliding? Yes. So can a cube slide? West. Can a cube slide? Yes. Say yes for me. Yes, there we go. Circle that cube for me. Circle him. It's not working out for me. What about the cone? Can the cone slide?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good. What about a cylinder?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. What about a sphere?
Yes.
No. You need to think before you talk.
Clown can fly.
We've already done the cone.
Well,
There you go. Good job.
circle all of these.
West, you need to slow down and pay attention, okay? Hold that pencil. I know that. Let's look at the row with the heart.
I'm gonna put that two back. I'm gonna put it this.
Look at the row with the heart. Can this cylinder roll?
No. Yes.
Circle it, please.
Yes, we're
Can the sphere roll?
Yes.
Yes, circle it. What about the cone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it can. Circle it.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the
Cube.
cube? Nope, it can't roll, can it?
No.
Now it can bounce, but it and do bumpy, but that's not a roll, is it?
No.
No.
It can slide.
What about this one? Can this rectangular prism stack?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it can. Circle it. We're on the row with the last row, James. Circle the rectangular prism. Last row, James. Last row, baby.
It's the butterfly.
What about this rectangular prism? Can it stack? Yes, it can. Circle that one.
What's the butterfly?
Excuse me. We're on the clover. There's not a butterfly. What about the sphere? Can it stack?
How about the rectangular? How about the rectangle?
Can the sphere stack?
No.
No. What about this rectangular prism, Zoe? Can this one stack?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Zoe,
Yes, ma'am.
great. You may flip your page.
I'm paper towel away.
All right, my friends, look at me. I need lips zipped. Eyeballs this way. Look at those eyeballs. You don't come in talking, honey. You go have a seat quietly because we're working. All right, on the row with a ducky. They've already kind of done it for you, but we're still going to talk about it. And then the rest of them, I'm going to tell you what to do, and you're going to do those by yourself. On the row with a ducky. If something can slide, I want you to circle it. Only on the row with the ducky. If it can slide, circle it. Shh, don't talk, don't talk. Hold your pencil right, Carolyn Grace, please. Hold it down on the end.
What do I do with you?
Slide. We're sliding right now, babe. Now, guys, we are still on the row with the ducky. All right? If it can roll, put an X on it. On the same row. So, you look. Can this one roll? Yes. Put an X on it. Can this one roll?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it can. Can this one roll?
No.
No, so we're not going to put an X on it. Can this one roll?
Yes.
Yes, it can. So put an X on it.
Oh, I just put a circle and an X on it. Hey!
Excuse me. That's 2. Why don't you scoot over that way a little bit and give her some room? There we go. On the row with a heart. Is everybody ready for the row? Touch your nose if you're ready for the row with a heart. Don't talk. Just touch your nose. Good. The row with the heart. If it can slide, I want you to circle it. Look at all of those shapes. If it can slide, don't talk. If it can slide, I want you to circle it. Are we ready for the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're on the same row, on the row with the heart, okay? If it can roll, put an X on top of it. On the same row, on these right here, if it can roll, put an X on it.
I think just a key. How about the paper?
We're only on this row right here. Have y'all finished that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's talk about it. Can this one stack?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me get my marker. Yep, because the board's not letting me work like that, so I'm going to do this. It can stack, so we are, not stack, slide. We're going to circle the ones that can slide. Can this one slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it can. Can this one slide?
Yes.
It can. If it's sitting on the end, it can slide. Can this one slide? No. Now we're going to put an X on the ones that roll. Zoe, can this one roll? Nope, so we're not going to do an X to it. Can this one roll, Zoe?
Yes.
Yes, it can, so put an X on it. Can this one roll?
Yes.
Yes, it can. Can this one roll?
Yes.
Yes, it can. Good job. All right. Touch the top of your head if you're ready for the clover. Don't talk, just touch the top of your head if you're ready for the clover. Good job. We're going to circle the ones that can stack. On the row with the clover, circle the ones that can stack. James, circle the ones that can stack on the row with the clover. If you can, no, just a minute, I'll let you go. Now on the row with the clover, if it can roll, put an X on it. Still on the row with the clover, if it can roll, put an X on it. Y'all's brains are working hard today. All right, let's check it out. Can this one stack?
Yes.
You can stack other jars on top of jars, so yes, let's circle it. Can you stack this one on top of something?
No.
Now, you can't put something on top of it, but you can put it on top of the jar, can't you?
Yeah.
Yep, so let's do that. Can this one stack? Nope, we tried that. That didn't work out well, did it? Can this one stack? Yes. And a little bit. Now let's look. Can this one roll?
Yes.
Yes, if we put it on its side, it can roll. Can this one roll?
Yes.
Yes. Can this one roll? Yes. Can this one roll?
No.
No. Good job.
Oh, this one's like flat. This one's flat. In your body.
Can you wait till we finish the last one, or is it an emergency?
I can finish.
We've got one more, okay? Let's do that one more, and then I'll let you go. Look at the butterfly. They're going to try to trick you. Look at these. There is one of these that can roll and stack. There's only one of these right here that can roll and stack. Fill in the circle under the one that can roll and stack. It can do both of them. Think about each of them. When you're finished, touch your chin. Price. Which one did you fill in the circle underneath?
That on the very end.
Do you remember what that's called? Y'all help him out. What's that called?
Rectangle and prism. Cylinder.
Cylinder. And he is right. Because can you stack on top of the cylinder? Yes. Can you roll the cylinder?
Yes.
Yes. He got it right. Y'all give him a clap for a good job. Yay, Christ.
Yeah! I did it.
Good job. All righty.